French marking with invasion stripes, which exported in the Suez War, was repainted to the Marine colors. Jesse Brown, naval aviator, the first African American killed in the Korean War, the subject of that heartfelt movie, and one of 4 Corsairs used to make the film. Flying this, but it's not lost on him as if he knew. They're often 19 to their mid-20s at best, going from a trainer where they have the comfort of an instructor. French marking with invasion stripes, which exported in the Suez War, was repainted to the Marine colors. Jesse Brown, naval aviator, the first African American killed in the Korean War. It's not lost on him as if he knew. They're often 19 to their mid-20s at best, going from a trainer where they have the comfort of an instructor flying with them, even in the advanced trainer. Much of the Corsair's long nose was occupied by that single self-sealing fuel tank holding 200